Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing the boost control solenoid in a Ford Escape. This is the 2.0 liter. This is a 2015, and these are also known to fail on these cars around 100,000 miles. So we just hit that, so I'm going to be changing this out today. The only things you need for this project is a new turbo boost solenoid. You can get them online. I'll leave a part number down below in the description, and then just some pliers and then a pry tool. All right, so once you lift your hood up, you're going to have a cover over here. I've already removed that. And then the part we're actually going to be replacing on this model is right here. So it's pretty easy to get to. You're going to need some pliers to unclamp these hoses on all sides. Plug right here. It's going to have to be unclipped. And then this just slides off right here. Alright, so just take your pliers, pinch those little clips like that, and just slide it back. And then it just falls down like that. Do the same thing on this one. Slide it back. And then do the same thing on this one right here. Might be easier just to lift this up first and get to it. Smaller pliers. Okay. And then there's also a clip right here. The way to do it is you just push this little metal piece right here. Just push it in like that, and then it slides right off. Okay. So on these, you don't want to pull on the actual hoses, or you can tear them. So I'm going to use a pry tool. If you have something similar like this should help get it off there without tearing the hose up. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth till you get it off there. I don't really care if I damage the old one because I'm going to put a new one on anyway. Just don't want to damage the hoses. Just take your time, no reason to rush it. Come right up there. Okay. And there's one more on the back. Just like that. Alright, so now I got the old one out. This is the new one. Just want to make sure that the same part. Everything looks the same. Looks good. And then you're just going to put it right back on the same way you took it off. We'll start with the back hose first, just because it's harder to get to. So all the way in. Okay, and then there's going to be two pins that hold on both sides of these. Just work them back up where they were. There's one. The other one fell down in there. This one just goes on this side. Like that. Plug your plug back in. Next we're going to just plug in this hose. Back on there. Let's get it all the way back on and then put the other one on. And then we're just going to tighten those back on. Slide it back on there. One more. Just like that. Alright, so when you're done, just put your engine cover back on and you're good to go. Alright, well that's how you change a turbo boost solenoid. This only took me about 10 minutes. It's pretty easy to do. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a like. And as always, thanks for watching.